guys, this is your friend, this is Media. Remember, if you are one of my subscribers, YouTube subscribers, or my channel subscribers, and remember, I always say that on my channel, I create teach you how to create services and how to make money online, especially new beginners that are looking for a way to earn money online. This channel is for you. And if you are new to my channel, I encourage that you hit the notification bell, subscribe so that whenever I drop video, you'll be notified easily. That being said, let me take you to what I have on you this moment. I have a site that I will be showing you on how to make mine extra. On the site, I'll be showing you on how to earn 28 to 30 dollars free USDT every day by mining, and it's a crypto website. For those that want to any coins, this is for you. And before I show you this site, if you do not have a Binance account or any account that you can use to collect your coins, you can do where to look for one. And we have other coin crypto wallet you can use to take your coins or your bitcoins. We have a Trust Wallet, we have Binance, and we have others. But remember, because of this tutorial, I will be using Binance. I have a Binance account. And what are we looking for? We are not using Bitcoin for this purpose or Ethereum. Instead, we are using USDT coin. That is what the site I will be showing to you later on. What we'll be using to deposit and withdraw our funds. If you do not have a Binance account, I will be dropping a link below my description so that you use that to sign up. Then if you do not have to sign up on Binance, you can go to YouTube, type how to sign up a verified Binance account, and you watch the video, you will go to sign up. I'm not going to be showing you or teaching you on how to create an account on Binance. That is how it is. Then if you want to also create on your phone, you can use the same method. If you don't have system and you have a phone, you can also see how to create Binance account using phone. It's also simple. Now let's assume you have already created your Binance account. Let us go and look for where you can get our USDT coin or wallet that we are going to be using on the website I will be showing to you subsequently. If you have created your Binance account already, this is what you are going to be seeing your dashboard. The first thing what you need to do is to go to where you see deposit. You go to where you see deposit crypto. You click on it. By the time you click on this, you wait for it to load. Remember that we are going to be using USDT as our coin. You select it like this. And you select it like this. You go to where you see the network, select network, and you click on Tron, that is TRC 2020. This is what we are going to do. Immediately, it will generate your address, your deposit address, and this deposit address is what we are going to be using to send money to the website I'm going to show you later on. So with that being said, let's go to the website. And the name of the website will be mentioned at the end of this video. That's why I want to stay behind so that I'll be able to get the information on this website. And this is my own dashboard of the website. I will be dropping the link as well in my comment section or my description so that you're able to end your promo as you use that link. And what is going to be the promo or the credit of using my link is that you'll be earning $300 the moment you use my link to sign up. $300, and I will be teaching you on how to use this $300 and withdraw it subsequently. So if you register, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. Now for the sake of those that want to register, I want to log out. I'll click here. You wait for it to know that. Now, if you are new, this is what you will see. You say put your email address. Okay, create account rather. This is what you see for you to sign up. See, create account. And what are you going to do? You put your first name, your last name, your email, your password, you type your password and create an account. You verify it immediately. If you click to the dashboard, will be like this. Like this. This is how it's going to be. Now, why are we creating a Binance account for this website? And why are we creating this website? Now, if you log into your website, the first thing you need to do is to go to where it says buy miner. This is where we actually need this site. Actually, this is where we need this site. Now, when you get to this place, you'll be seeing different packages. And look at this package, the first package. It has $325 to buy the first package to mine here. The second one is $350 to mine here. The third one, just like that. That's how the package is. That is how it goes. Now we'll be using one as an example for the first one. Every minute we'll be mining 0.0016 cents. Then every day we'll be receiving $2.38. Now $2.38 times 10 days, we'll be having I think $23.8. If you are a good mathematician, you can do that math by yourself. So you'll be earning $2.33 per day. Sorry, per 10 days, rather, per 10 days. Now, if you want to gather your money and accumulate your money, so in a year you'll be earning $867.97 for USDT. Just imagine that. What would you do? What would you do? What you do just to put the money, you leave it. Every day you'll be receiving, you'll be mining, automatically mine. Not that you are going to do on this website. That is how it's easy and that is how it goes. Now remember I said I will show you on how to utilize your $300. This $300 is a welcome bonus that you, after you use my link to sign up, you will be receiving this. If you want to use this $300, it is going to be subtracted from this particular amount. Now we have $355. If you subtract this one, it will be less $55. And this is the money that you are going to deposit. And then the point, you will be depositing $25 on your wallet, on your coin, the coin that you have here. I will show you how to deposit it later. But this one here is if you want to withdraw. That's why we prepared this one at initial time. If you want to withdraw your money from here, then you want to withdraw this. This is what you'll be using. You copy this and you come to this place that I'm going to show you now. If you want to withdraw, you come to this place. You paste that link here. Then you put the amount that you are going to withdraw in the sheet. Now, if you open to this withdrawal area, it will be showing you two methods. The first method is wallet balance, while the second method is affiliate balance. Now, what is the affiliate balance? The affiliate balance is when you click on affiliate links. These affiliate links, when you share to people, you are going to receive an additional money added to this your welcome bonus. So, if you must withdraw your $300, you do not want to mine, just want to withdraw your bonus, you must refer people. And when you refer people, you will be paid when they purchase any packages, you will be what? You earn a 10% commission from any packages that you buy. You understand how they pay money. So that is what this will do for you. So when you pay this link to people, then you will go to earn money. Then if you don't want to pay any money to mine, That will say you have to concentrate more to the affiliate side, because the affiliate side, the commission you receive will help you to mine. That is, you will not be depositing your money through Binance to this website. So the free money now that I'm talking about is this and the referral. These are the free money that you see that you can earn without paying any time. So, for example, you refer someone and the person bought this package, and will say you'll be earning 10% on this added extra bonus. So you can start to work mine without purchasing on your finance account. But you don't want to follow the affiliate link because you look at it as something that is stressful. You maybe invite people to this website, it will be hard for you. You can definitely deposit. Now, how are you going to deposit? Remember, we have explained the platform. Now, we are going to also explain the deposit here. Now, for you to deposit here, you copy this link. The link is like an account number. It's already been generated for the USDT link. Copy it like this. The next thing is to go to Binance. You go to Binance. We are not copying this one again because if you are withdrawing, that is when you need it from. But now we are depositing. So what you need a fresh address. That was why we copied this initially. So you go to your Binance, you come to where it says fiat transfer. Click on it. You must have done that. You wait for it to load. After which, you go to where it says withdraw. You're not depositing, you are withdrawing. You click on it and you also wait for it to load. Fine. Now it's asking you, are you depositing money from here now from your BTC wallet to this website? Are you using this? Remember, we're not using BTC. What are we using? We are using USDT. So when you search for USDT, by typing it, and it appears immediately USDT. USDT is where it is. And this is where we are sending our money from our website. So the next thing is to look for the address. Remember, we have the address. You copy this address. You copy this. Then you come to this place and you paste it here like this. That's when I want to send money to that place now. Then you go below, you go to the network. Remember, we say it was TRC20, that is 20. You click on it. Then you also wait for it to load. The next thing is to do what? To put the amount below. You know what I'm probably not moving again. Coming. I've refreshed it. I've refreshed it. So remember we said you put the address here. Paste it like this. Then you select the network. See TRC that is 20 and TRC 20. Then put the amount that you are going to deposit. Let us do that depositing. Remember here is without the you want to buy. Fine, the first package. We have 305 dollars and we are subtracting this from this now left to $25. So let us know you want to buy 25. You see, is it for your spot wallet or your fund wallet? So you want it should be your spot wallet if you have money on your USDT. The next thing is to do what? You see, say withdraw. And if you are doing that, remember that you need to put 26 so that you can buy with the pay because you have a service fee of 1 USDT. And if you withdraw, immediately you come to this place where you see verify my deposit. After you have withdrawn the money, you come to your dashboard like this way, then you will see it here. Before you see it rather, you will come to where it says after you have initiated it, you see verify verify my deposit. You click here, then your money will now appear on your dashboard. Easy peasy. Now you have seen how to mine and how to make money on this website. You know, always make sure that every day you withdraw your money from this website. Always make sure every day you withdraw. Do not accumulate your money before you withdraw. So for those that want to pour their hard earned money on it, it's not a financial advice. But if you can put the money that you can risk, it's a financial advice for you. Always try to withdraw any money that you earn every day, and that is how it goes. If you have any question regarding this, you can comment below. It's a comment section, and I will do a video to reply you, or better still, I can reply you in my comment section. Remember, if you are new to my channel, do well to subscribe so that when I drop the video, you get more video, I will notify and continue to see you in my next video.